children, hope everyone is fine at your respective places. I welcome back you to the class. Today I would like to teach you 8th standard Unit 5 Part A. 8th standard Unit 5 Part A. That is the treasure within Part 1. The treasure within Part 1. Now let us see summary at a glance. So here we can see Hafiz Contractor's character, because it was an interview between Hafiz Contractor and Bela Raja. Just it is about getting remember of the childhood. Now let us see what happened. So it was unhappy schooling. So I wanted to give you the detail under this heading, unhappy schooling. Hafiz Contractor was a very unhappy schoolboy. In the first and second year, he was a good student. From the third standard onwards, he seemed to have lost all interest in studies. He was particularly afraid of mathematics. He had nightmares about a maths examination. He dreamt of appearing in the examination, not knowing anything at all about the subject. So in this slide, we can understand that Hafiz Contractor was a very unhappy schoolboy, because the starting itself first and second classes, first and second year, he was good. Because he was innocent, he was enjoyed in the school, he was enjoyed at home and everywhere. Here, by the time he reached third standard, now the subjects has increased. Now teachers were asking him to study. Parents were asking him to complete the work. So he lost interest in all the studies. Especially he was afraid of mathematics. And sometimes he used to get nightmares, the terrible night dreams about maths examination. He dreamt of appearing in the examination, not knowing anything at all about the subject. So he was in complete fear about math examination and math subject. So that's why I have given a clear heading here, that is unhappy schooling. It is about Hafiz Contractor's school life. Here, Contractor loved action, not theories. As a student, Contractor was interested in games and playing jokes on others. He was a very good sportsman. He was the senior champion for many years. He was also the captain of his school cricket team. So in this slide, I wanted you to pay attention that Hafiz Contractor was interested in games and playing jokes on others, and he was a very good sportsman. An exciting word that he was the senior champion for many years in the school, and he was also the captain of his school cricket team. And it is very important and key role in Hafiz Contractor's life. Contractor passed his examinations only by copying. However, when he approached his 11th class, the principal called him and advised about his future. The principal remarked that he was a good student, but he had never studied. So principal suggested to take care of himself. He talked to him for 5 minutes. He exhorted Contractor to rise to the occasion and study. So here, principal's affection, principal's a great suggestion to Hafiz contractor. Just principal reminded Hafiz contractor's original talent and his good nature and his good behavior, and he has given an encouragement that he must take care of himself because he was not at all interested in studies, whereas he was interested in all the other activities. That's why principal purposely spent 5 minutes to give him the advice. And Hafiz contractor should think of himself now, because he has to take care of himself now that it is the age to think of himself. The advice worked out. The principal's advice had the desired effect on contractor. Here, the principal's desire was affected on contractor. He would go for prayers and all he would do was eat and study. As a result, he got 50% in his SSC. So, according to principal's suggestion and advice, he did not work out. So, the result was he got only 50% in his SSC. The punishments at school. Contractor was being interviewed by S.S. Belaraja. She asked him if he was punished at school. Contractor replied that the teachers pull him up regularly. He would receive a caning every week. However, he never felt anything on that account. He was more interested in playing. So here there was interview by Miss Belaraja. So she asked about contractor's attitude and characters and about his receiving of punishments. That's what here she confirmed. Hafiz contractor was not at study and he was a naughty boy, a sports freak. This heading makes you much interesting. Contractor was just interested in playing and nothing else. He was also the leader of a gang. He would have gang fights and plan strategies. These things interested him more than the books. One day, he did not want to study, so he created a distraction. For one whole hour, they played core police. So in this, we can see his naughty attitude. He was always playing. He was always the leader of the gang. He always have gang fights and different planning strategies in these naughty playings and naughty nature. These things interested him more than the books and study. So one day, he did not want to study, so he created such a distraction. So the whole hour, Hafiz contractor and his friends, they played core police game. So here, the moral of the story is, the name of the lesson, the treasure within itself, tells us that every child has a certain area of interest and expertise. Some children like mathematics, while some like English. They should not be forced to study something they don't want to do. So here, for both the treasure within part 1 and part 2, this is the moral. It shows that there is a treasure in the mind. There is a particular interest in each and every individual. So it should not be forced to inculcate, or it should not be forced to study something children don't want. That's what the parents are not getting the desired position of their children. So here Hafiz contractor stood in good position now only because of his interested area and his interested work. So we will meet with treasure within part 2 in the next class. Thank you for watching.